After India thwarted Chinese intrusion attempts in South Bank of Pangong in Ladakh, India today has accessed exclusive details of how India pushed back the intruding Chinese. Top sources told India today that Indian soldiers noticed suspicious movement on the night of August 29th. In fact, the Chinese were moving in a vehicular convoy. However, the Army's Vikas regiment posted in the area acted swiftly and captured the strategic height. The Chinese intention was to capture the dominant hill on the Indian side. India had already sensed Chinese intentions after China had refused to even discuss the disengagement plans on August 2nd, Lieutenant General talks. Another level of brigade commander level meet is expected today. In fact, India meanwhile has made its stance quite clear that it is open for the disengagement and not interested in further escalation. However, India has also made it clear that it will forcibly preempt any hostile actions.
Don't be fooled by the silence from Ladakh over the last few weeks. The Chinese have been on the move, except this time they have been caught in their tracks. The line of actual control is on the boil again. The Chinese army has provoked again, and tensions have spiked. On Saturday night, about 200 Chinese soldiers once again tried to make a fresh intrusion bid on the southern banks of the Pangong Lake. The vehicle convoy comprising SUVs made a dash in an attempt to occupy fresh territory. But this time, the Indian Army was lying in wait. Late last week, the Indian Army had foreseen the Chinese action and deployed in advance as a preemptive move, something the Chinese had not expected. When challenged PLA convoy stopped, there was major jostling. But with the Indian Army unit stood its ground, determined not to concede even an inch, the PLA troops were forced to retreat. There were no injuries or casualties of any kind.
The southern bank of Pangong Lake had been calm since the standoff started in early May, nearly 4 months back. It is clear that China wanted to make forays into a new area and open a new front. But the Indian Army, due to its enhanced surveillance, was able to detect the Chinese movement very early on and launched a preemptive action, making sure the Chinese do not advance forward.
Make no mistake, ever since Galwan Valley clash on 15th of June, the Indian Army has been on full operational alert to thwart any Chinese misadventure.
They have to go back to status quo ante if they really want peace. The problem is they don't want peace. How long can we go in for a one-sided peace? In my very humble opinion, I think the time has come to call China's bluff, to make it pay a cost and suffer consequences for needlessly aggressive behavior.
After multiple rounds of talks, which has resulted in minor troop pullback, the fresh attempt by China has shown no intent of meeting its commitments. With Chinese troops holding on the flashpoints and significant military build-up by China in the depth areas, the writing on the wall is clear. It's going to be a harsh winter, with little hope of the ice melting anytime soon. With Abhishek Bhalla, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.